Take a ride in the 2019 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, stability control, remote engine start, traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes, clock, fog lights, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.